Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the second challenge of screenflow distribution, which is display a flow on a page in your Salesforce org. So just click on it. After clicking, we'll come here. Here, just scroll down and click on launch. After clicking launch, we'll wait for a while. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Here, see there are 9 dots above in the left side. Click on that are called app launcher, and here search for contact, contact, and click on contact, which is here. Just click on it. Now see here, my contact should come here, and here you can see Andy Young is here in my 5 number. Just click on it, and then see there is a gear icon above there. Just click on that and click on edit page. After clicking on edit page, we'll wait for a while. Then we'll come here. See there is a flow. We'll just drag from there and we'll drop it below this. We'll just drop it. See how it came. Then we'll click on this flow. We'll just remove what is written here, and we'll just type hello, HELLO, and see hello world came. We'll just click on it. Then click on save, which is above here. Then after that, we'll click on activate, which is here. We'll just click on it. Then we'll scroll down and see assign as org default is there. We'll click on it, and here we'll click on desktop and phone. Then click on next. Then click on save. We'll wait for a while. See, now it's saved. See, activation setting changed. It came. Now come here and we'll click here to earn points. Guys, if you like my content, if you complete this challenge, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, if you face any kind of error, you can comment in the comment section, guys. I'll be following you up as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, guys.